Good morning, guys. I know I sound terrible. It was gorgeous yesterday, too, and I am so stuffed up. And I kept trying to come outside. There was no wind. It was like perfect. I did get a chance to sweep. If you see, like you could see my lines. So I did sweep. Because I wanted to just be out here to do something, but it just was not meant to be. As a doggy paws. Looks like puppy paws. There's my feet prints. It's pretty chilly out. I think I got a little cold from Serenity because she stayed home for 2 days, and then I watched her on one of the days. And I guess it got me. Yeah, I don't see any tracks. So no deer poo-poo ka-choo and no tracks, but it's kind of it might be cloudy today. Maybe not. I don't know. Cause way over there's a little bit of blue sky, but it's kind of foggy out. Like not foggy low, but like I don't know. It's pretty nippy though. But I did 4 videos yesterday, so I seriously doubt anybody is caught up on those. But we are up to 928 subscribers. Woo woo! That's cool. So for all my new subscribers, my name is Shay, and I normally do not sound this bad. But, so, I was thinking, I'm not doing anything today in the yard. And yesterday, I don't really think I made any. The only major changes I did yesterday was I swept, and I'm starting to do some more adjustments on how big I want my flower beds. Like this one, I did put string this rope all across it so the deer wouldn't keep munching on my carnations. And so I did stretch it out like a little bit. I just, poofed it out a little so the carnations weren't pushed up against the fence. And I think I'm going to extend this bed in front here, like, because I need to make it more even all the way down. So if I still have a little extra room, especially down here, because it's like obviously not even. So next year, I'm gonna start evening up the bed so that they are perfectly lined in front here. And then I think these two I'm never gonna change. I'll probably keep those two the same. And then in the back here, I want to narrow down this sidewalk so it's not like I have to do 3 passes, and I want to get it down to where I'm just doing one, but still my broom is wider than my wagon, which as long as my wagon can easily maneuver where I don't have to have it perfectly lined to get down the sidewalk. And I want the broom to be able to go down the sidewalk. So I'm going to even up these flower beds so that they're even with the one way. I can't see anything here. This one, I want it to come all the way down. So I'll be able to extend these. This line is fine. Puka laid. And then maybe I'll even up this back flower bed way over there where the wagon is. And then these ones are all fine. These ones are the size that I like. I want them to be more like this. Yeah. Perfectly lined. So I'm going to work on that. I think next spring. Oh, it's cold outside. I don't want to be out here too long because I'm already stuffed up and I've already been up since like 3 o'clock this morning because I can't lay down. When I do, I can't breathe. So I have to be propped up. So I'm trying to hurry up. I did a hot chocolate with 4 teaspoons of this Fireball stuff. It tasted terrible. Absolutely terrible. I drank about half that cup and I was just like, blech. So, I don't know. I don't have any hot apple cider. That's what I was trying to go for, but I'm out and I thought about going and getting some but then I just don't want to, because I think I got this from Serenity. So obviously it's spreadable. So I'm trying to just stay indoors and ride it out. All right. Well, I hope you guys have a great morning. I'm sending you all positive vibes. Good stuff coming from me to you. Just, I hope that if anybody else has got I don't feel bad. It's just annoying that my nose is stuffed. So I just, it's still all good. Everything's happy. I only had to toss the frog out once yesterday. Woohoo! That was good. Although he was lurking. Man, I tell you, he's like a stalker. And it doesn't matter. I have thrown him over that back fence. I don't know how he gets back. It only takes him 15 minutes. And he's back at my door and he chirps so I can hear him. Ah, my freeloading frog. Although I did get 1,900 views on this last short that I did with him. So he is bringing in the people. I don't know. Maybe he's not freeloading after all. All right, guys. I'll talk to you tomorrow. Bye.